Find a comfortable position and sit tall and alert. Softening your shoulders and resting your hands in your lap, allow your eyes to close. Noticing now where you feel contact with the chair or the cushion. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, allow yourself to become more heavy, calm, and relaxed. Letting the breath settle into its own natural rhythm without controlling it. Noticing the sense of movement of the breath, and with it just becoming aware of any sensation in the chest, maybe rising or falling. And the abdomen, where you may notice it expand and contract. Widening your awareness now to include your whole body. Noticing any sensations with openness and curiosity. Sitting in still awareness. And in your own time, allow your eyes to open.